Welcome to Railroad Crossings, Ontario. Last night we got you one in the dark. I don't get too many night trains for you, but this one was a long one. You're really gonna like it. It went on forever. But the picture was not great, so I end up going with like a cartoon theme with it. So I'll do the whole video like this, hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that thumbs up because I appreciate it. And don't forget to click on the notification. Also, if you like the ships, make sure you get over and see Lake Freighters and Boats channel there. You'll enjoy that too, hopefully. But I'm glad you're here. Welcome any new subscribers, and we'll see you on the next one.